there are 3 really compelling reasons why you might want to self-host your large language models. The first one is there's a decreased cost. So at the beginning, you might decide to use OpenAI because you're just playing around with it. And the cost there is really, really low if you're not using it very much. However, once you've proven product market fit and you want to actually get it in production at scale, those costs ramp up really, really quickly. However, if you're using a self-hosted model, the upfront costs may be a bit larger, but they tail off really quickly. It becomes really, really efficient at scale. So you can think of much decreased cost if you're deploying enterprise scale applications. Secondly, you have improved performance. So this might be counterintuitive because a lot of people think that the best performance is on GPT-4, which is true for general use cases. However, when you fine tune or doing very domain specific tasks, actually we find that the performance is better with smaller, more well-defined models. So that's the second reason. And the third reason is about privacy and security. So if you live in Europe, like we do, you need to make sure that you have data residency. If you're a healthcare organization, you have extra provisions you need to live by. And when you self-host, it just removes a lot of the complexity you have to deal with. You don't have to have your lawyers read, terms and services from third parties. It's already in your environment. It's already where you're processing data. There's nothing really you need to worry about. And there is a fourth reason, which I don't have here, but actually I'm going to mention it because it's relevant and timely. Today, there was a huge outage at OpenAI and for multiple hours, which is a great reason why you should have diversity. So even if you do use OpenAI, you should have backup options for when there are outages.